Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA tools. Top 31 best robotic process automation software on the market, Part 3. Blue Prism. Blue Prism is another one of the most well-known RPA automation tools. The company has been around for a long time and built a solid reputation for both security and scalability. Blue Prism combines RPAs with business process automation, BPO, to create one of the top RPA tools on the market. Kofax RPA. Kofax is an emerging player in the RPA space. The automation software has made strides in recent years, but there is still plenty of room for improvement. Kofax RPA provides end-to-end business process automation tools. Some of the best features of the software include intelligent document processing and sophisticated automated product discovery. Pega Platform. Pega Platform is a BPO tool with built-in RPA functionality. It's built for medium to large-sized businesses and combines RPA with AI-powered decision-making, customer self-service, and NLP chatbots. The platform is well established with a strong focus on workflow creation, which will suit some firms. ZAPTEST Enterprise. ZAPTEST offers a fantastic free version. Our 2-in-1 Enterprise enables any task automation for any UI and API technology for testing and RPA implementation. Some of the best features of ZAPTEST's RPA software solution include OneScript technology, which helps to create automation across different platforms, API, and devices without the need of rewriting scripts for each of these platforms. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.